Now this method, it will work to the Samsung Galaxy A32, and I'm not sure it's gonna work to the other Samsung phones. Also, I want to pay your attention, doing hard reset means doing factory reset. You're gonna lose everything in your phone. In addition to this, after we complete the hard reset, your phone will ask you for the same Google account that you have already synced to the phone. So if you have one already synced, it requires to use the same Gmail account along with the same password. Other than that, you're gonna lock with the Google activation screen. Now we need to go through a few steps. First of all, I want to make sure that you have a wall brick and USB-C cable, as you guys can see. So we will need this in order to perform the hard reset, and I will explain to you why we need this later on in this video. Now I've seen people actually require like a PC or laptop. No, you don't need that. You just need the power brick and the USB-C cable. Now there's two methods. Now normally, if your phone, or if you are able to have access to the phone, you can power off the phone. Now if you have a password or pattern, like as you guys can see, I have pattern right here. If I try to turn off the phone, actually it won't go through. It's still gonna ask me for the pattern or a password. And I'm assuming if you know how to unlock the phone, you can do factory reset from the phone itself, so this is not required. So for this reason, you need to follow my step. First of all, we need to connect the USB cable, so which is, let me go ahead, just put my charger on the wall and then connect the USB-C to my phone. So this will be the first step. Now you should be able to see that the phone is start charging. Now once the phone is charging, you have to use the power key and the volume down key right here. So we have to press and hold till the phone restarts. But even if the phone restarts and vibrates in your hands, I want you to keep hold and power and volume down key till you see Samsung Galaxy logo. There is two logo, they're gonna be appear. Samsung logo and Samsung Galaxy logo. So we need to wait till the Samsung Galaxy logo appears, and then the phone will shut off. So let's go ahead and do it. So the charger is already on the phone, so I'm gonna go ahead and press volume down and power key. I'm still holding on both keys. Now the phone restarted and it started vibrating. I have to hold now. Remove both fingers when you see Samsung Galaxy logo. Now you can remove the cable. No longer we need the cable because the phone is completely off. So we don't need the cable no more. What we need right now to use the power key and volume up key. Now we're going to use the opposite key, the volume up key. Now what you need to do, press the power, the volume up together. Once you see Samsung logo, you have to remove from the power and hold on the volume up. So let's go ahead and do this together. So we're going to use power, volume up together. The phone starts, Samsung appear. I'm holding right now on the volume up, and there we go. So we got to this boot menu screen. We need to navigate through the volume up down keys. So we have to go wipe data factory reset, and then I have to select with the power key, and then it's gonna give me a warning message. If you're sure you want to do the factory reset, you highlight the factory reset and you press the power key to select, and you wait a few seconds, and then it will take you back to reboot system now. Use the power key to select and wait about 3 to 4 minutes, and your phone's gonna go back as the same day you purchased the phone factory reset. And as I said, if there is a Google account, you might need to use the same Gmail account and a password to bypass the activation screen. And I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If it did, thumbs up and subscribe to Variety Stick for more videos in the future, and I will talk to you in the next video. Peace.